vlogger for one day. Okay, let's play that song again. Ayan na, ayan na.
Easy lang. Nice, ay, kunya man, nya na siguro.
So I want to make sure.
Ang music mo na. Music mo na, paki-off yung music lang. Bebe, sige po.
So good evening, everyone. I want to make it short because I understand na sana ba yung oras? 9 p.m. na, no? And of course, all of you have your lives to get back to also. But ayun. First of all, I want to thank you for, you know, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. Kay, this is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, from the whole family, dako kayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. Kay, it's been, pila na ba ka months? 5 months, yes. 5 months, no? Unya, wala gihapoy pag-untang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So, daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said ganina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, mao to. With that being said, it keeps him going. The constant communication from the to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague. The first time I left The Hague was April 16, so 16 I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, good, and I have not stopped. So and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so, Kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him nga naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So, I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayong salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I will not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na pod, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na ni akong buhok diri sa taas kay pasabot ana haggard na pod ko, no? Ah, atugon na pod ko. Pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa taan eh. Dili magud ko hawd. Pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat yun sa inyo. And I hope dili ta muundang hantod sa makauli siya because kita lang ang iyang hope. No, kada gabi when he is about to sleep, uh, he told me that all he does, well, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte!
And of course, to all of us at The Hague.
Bring him home!
All of us at The Hague. Bigyan mo lang po.
tayo nun at Netherlands.
Okay, photo op, photo op. Kung ano yung photo op, dito na, or you want to stay or stay?
Magbuhat ba ka?
Akong balay lang ba ako? Dili lang siguro na to apilon akong medyas, no? Kay kuhan kayo. Wala ko pa prepare ba? O sige. Paano?
Ito kayo, Tiny. Dito kayo, dito kayo.
Pulbo, kulukod din. Ang samanto. Ay, pulbo man.
Hello. Okay na po si Kitty, pero mag-zoom.
Murag dako naman kayo nito dito.
Kasi makabot pa ka, kang mag-picture pa.
Ready?
Kasi makapos pa kayo pag-post. Sige, sige, sige.
1, 2, 3. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Nakuha lagi vlog. Nausap mo na siya. 1, 2, 3. Ganda.
Thank you, Kitty, and of course, our prayers and love to your Tatay Digong.
May picture. Ay, kanina. Sige, mag-bye mo na.
Bigla pa dyan. Bye ba? Ayun. Sa kuha.
Wait. Ma'am,
Leila.
how much time do you have? Can we please line up 10 minutes? Let's cooperate. Let's cooperate, okay? Dito. Everyone line up here. From this end. Okay.
Itigo ko na lang muna. Ito na pala mga picture. Oo, nasa YouTube.
Okay, please, we have 10 minutes.
Ay, wait lang. Doon pala yung namita si Dok.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Ganito na lang. Because our permit is only until 9. One long line.
Correct.
Pupunta na lang si Kitty line by line. Okay? One long line.
Linya na, please. Pag-cooperate. Salamat.
Camera.
Prepare your camera, please.
Wala, paningot na rin. Ano ito?
Okay, let's move now here. Okay, now here. Let's move here. 1, 2, 3, go. Share the picture, please. Share. Okay, next camera.
Tapos, don't move.
Di Alvin na lang dito.
Datong na lang.
Comfortable na.
Pa-picture pa di ko.
Paunahan lang sana sila naman.
Please don't. Hindi na to. Don't push.
Ay, Attorney, mga
So, Wednesday na lang po.
Wait pa di. Aslaw.
So, muni. Yate na.
Ako na.
Magdawan.
Hindi na ko. Kita na mga nagkaduan ni Tito sa ano, sa sentro. Kita. Para na. Yan. Kasi, kasi na nagkaduan. Nawala na yung lagnat ko. Nawala.
Marami pang araw.
Nawala. Nawala na yung lagnat. Ay, salamat. Salamat. Jowa na naman.
Kaya pa? Nagana pa ako ito.
Nagpalit na lang po. Nawala man ka. Okay na. Oh. Okay. Katabi. Mabakan ko lang to. Bahan, uwi na kami. Kaya tot nito. Salamat.
Di ba siya kaya? Thank you din.
Ayun siya.
Kaya niya ba?
Bigat naman ni sir.
Hindi.
Walang ano sa naghahanap. Kita ko lahat eh. Salamat ha.
Sige, thank you din. Thank you din. Ha? Oh. Iti. Tawa tabi dyan.
One, two. Okay. Here. We go. Okay.
Ipon! Baba ipon! Bernard! Martina! Oh. Dapat ikaw